Bitcoin is back near $115,000 after US CPI cooled inflation fears. Ethereum is eyeing another run at $5,000. Solana keeps leading altcoin flows, and XRP is stuck in a tight range. With ETF demand still strong but mixed weekly flows, let's map the game plan for this weekend. Macro pulse. Midweek US CPI landed roughly in line with expectations, which lifted risk sentiment. That helped Bitcoin climb toward the mid-$110Ks by Friday. ETF flows are also supportive. US Bitcoin ETFs saw 4 straight days of inflows, and Ether ETFs turned positive again. That's a real floor for spot prices. But there's caution. US equity funds just recorded their biggest outflow in 5 weeks. Cross-asset flows are mixed, which means crypto still faces headline risk. Bitcoin is rebuilding momentum toward $115,000. The range is clear. Demand sits at $108K, $110K, and resistance is $118K, $120K. Here's the plan. Buy strength, only if BTC reclaims and holds above $120,000 with ETF flows behind it. Accumulate cautiously, on intraday dips near $110K, $112K if spot volume is healthy. Wait or reduce, on a daily close under $108,000, which risks a drop toward $105K, $103K. Ethereum retraced from late August highs but is still structurally bullish. Spot ETH ETFs are posting inflows again, and traders are asking whether $5,000 is back on the table. Levels to watch. Support, $4.2K, $4.3K. Breakout trigger, $4.85K, $4.9K. Action plan. Buy pullbacks near $4.3K, $4.4K, but only if ETH quickly reclaims momentum. Add exposure on a close above $4.85K, $4.9K, targeting $5.0K, $5.3K. Step aside if ETH closes under $4,200. XRP is locked in a $2.8, $3.1 range. Weekly forecasts cluster around a midpoint near $2.96. Upside only opens if $3.10, $3.20 breaks with real volume. Action plan. Wait for a strong close above $3.10 with breadth before entering. Tactical buys near $2.80, $2.85 are only valid if $2.77 continues to hold as support. Invalidate below $2.77, stand aside and reassess. Solana keeps proving its leadership role. Analysts highlight a $2.20, $2.32 pivot zone. A clean break often extends toward $2.45, $2.50, while dip buyers continue to defend the $1.95, $2.05 area. Action plan. Buy continuation only if Sol closes above $232. Buy dips near $1.98, $2.05 when majors are firm. Exit if Sol trades below $1.90, $1.95 with conviction. Altcoin breadth usually improves after BTC stabilizes and ETH attracts flows. Right now, ETF prints look constructive, but weekly data still show mixed signals. Action plan. Keep altcoin exposure less than or equal to 5% until BTC clears $120,000 and ETH clears $4,850. Favor liquid majors, especially Solana ecosystem and high TVL DeFi. Use hard stops, because weekend liquidity is thin and gaps are common. Risks to watch. What could flip the script? Surprise headlines and thin weekend books. ETF flow reversals, Check Monday's US Open for confirmation. Exchange stress or large wallet moves, keep an eye on addresses and funding. Bottom line. So here's your roadmap. BTC, constructive above $110,000, buy strength greater than $120,000 or disciplined dips near $111K, $112K. ETH, accumulate $4.3K, $4.4K, at greater than $4.85 thousand, avoid less than $4.2 thousand. XRP, only enter above $3.10 with volume. SOL, momentum buy greater than $232, or dip buys $198, $205, cut below $190. Alts, keep sizes small and focus on liquid names with catalysts. So what do you think? Will Bitcoin finally clear $120,000 this weekend, or will we stay stuck in the range? Drop your view in the comments, subscribe for weekly outlooks, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, this is not financial advice, just a data-driven roadmap to navigate the weekend.